In this lesson, I am going to show you how to copy color grading in Premiere Pro. So right here, I have these two clips on my timeline with two different color gradings. We have this warm looking clip right here, and then we have a cooler one. So basically what I want to do, I want to make these two clips match. I want to make this cooler one look warm. That is, I want to copy the color grading on this one and paste it on this one. To do that, head over to your Lumetri color. If you don't have a Lumetri color panel open, head over to Window and then select Lumetri color. Now within Lumetri colors, you're going to head over to Color Wheels and Match, select that, and then click on the Comparison View button. And then you see that your screen is divided into two. You have your reference and then you have the current. So basically what we are doing here is comparing both screens. On your timeline, you're going to make sure that the clip you are copying is placed first, and then the clip you want to change its color is placed after. And then make sure that your playhead is on the second clip that you want to change its color. So with that done, all you need to do is to click on this Apply Match button, and then the AI is going to match the colors. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.